Thank you for clicking on this video. In this video, we'll be installing floodlight security camera. For product specification, check out the description box below. By the end of this video, you'll have a basic understanding of the installation, configuration, and some challenges you might face. I started with testing. As you will see, I took 3-prong computer power cord to test with. You don't have to do this. I just wanted to make sure it is working properly before I actually do the installation. I end up configuring the device here, so at the end it should be quick and easy, but let's wait to see what happens. At this point, the configuration completed successfully. Let's move on to installing the device. Here I was facing the connection issue. The device was not connecting to the application. After a few tries, it connected just fine. Later that day, I lost the connection again, so I end up power cycling the device, which resolved the issue I was facing. So the takeaway is that if you're having a minor issue, just power cycle the device, which should resolve any minor issue you might face.